Stop right there. What if I told you that one small plant could completely transform your space, refresh your mind, and bring nature's most beautiful fragrance right into your home? Sounds too good to be true? It's not, because today we're talking about dwarf lavender. And trust me, once you discover this little wonder, you'll never look at your garden or your balcony the same way again. Let's be honest, most of us dream of a beautiful garden, colorful blooms, fresh fragrance in the air, butterflies landing nearby. But not everyone has the space, not everyone has the time, and not everyone knows where to start. That's exactly where dwarf lavender comes in. This compact, gorgeous plant was made for people like you. No big garden? No problem. A small balcony pot is all you need. A sunny window? Perfect. A little corner in your yard? Absolutely ideal. Dwarf lavender fits anywhere, Mikey, and makes everywhere look stunning. Now here's what makes this plant truly special. Despite its small size, dwarf lavender carries the full power of traditional lavender. We're talking deep purple blooms that catch every eye, silvery green foliage that adds texture and elegance to any space, and that signature fragrance, calming, fresh, and absolutely unforgettable. And the wildlife? Bees and butterflies can't resist it. Plant one of these, and your space becomes alive. But what about care? Here's the great news. Dwarf lavender is one of the easiest plants you'll ever grow. It loves sunlight. Give it at least 6 hours a day and it thrives. It's drought tolerant, meaning once it's established, it doesn't need constant watering. It's low maintenance, high reward. Perfect for busy people who still want beauty in their lives. Just make sure your soil drains well. Give it a little compost and ensure good air circulation. Prune it regularly after flowering. And this plant will reward you with stunning blooms, season after season, year after year. And here's something most people don't realize. Dwarf lavender is not just beautiful, it's incredibly useful. Harvest those fragrant flowers and use them in cooking. Make homemade sachets to freshen your wardrobe. Create your own essential oils, or simply dry the flowers and place them around your home and enjoy that calming, natural fragrance for months. One plant. Endless possibilities. Whether you're a first-time gardener just starting out or someone with years of experience, dwarf lavender belongs in your life. It brings elegance, it brings fragrance, it brings life. Small plant, massive impact. So what are you waiting for? Plant dwarf lavender today. And let the magic begin. Dwarf lavender, small size, big magic.